ImageFramer 4.7 adds support for the Shortcuts app in the new macOS Monterey. This support adds apply an ImageFramer template action that you can use in your shortcuts. Here I'm creating a new template that I will apply to all the images in the folder. After the design is finished, in the Templates tab, press the plus button and name your new shortcut. In this case, it's called For Shortcut. I can now close and quit ImageFramer because I will apply this straight from Finder. Select all the files, quick actions, and there's Apply ImageFramer Template action. This shortcut shows you the list of templates. I select For Shortcut, Done. And ImageFramer quickly applies the template to all the selected images. You can download this shortcut from our website. The link is in the description to this video. Thank you for watching and enjoy using ImageFramer.
ImageFramer.